data science on Google Cloud in machine learning. Okay, so these two are the two tracks. So you're going to get your goodies based on how you complete these two tracks. So primarily, we can just take up about this cloud engineering. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of this, what we are going to do in cloud engineering and also in that YAML deployments. Okay. Okay, are you guys aware of what is cloud computing? All those participants, are you new to this, or like you want me to say something about it? Can you please put it in the chat? Uh, okay, Raghavan, he has asked me to tell what is Google Cloud. So basically, cloud is a service. So uh, like uh, it's really like more cost to manage the physical networks, physical hardware. So we make it as cloud. We like basically make it virtual so that we can connect it from anywhere we want. So that's how it starts basically. Cloud is basically to what to say, like kind of make things virtual and make us to access it more easily. So that's what cloud is like. That's the basic knowledge. If you want, you can Google more and search on it. And next to okay, I will now start with this cloud engineering. So this is the quest you are going to see. So, firstly, in the cloud IAM, when you want to do deploy a service, so a temporary environment is going to open, like where you can run your commands, and you can like make buckets, make resource groups or whatever. So that's what this cloud IAM basically works with. And second topic is introduction to SQL for BigQuery and Cloud SQL. So we have all worked in the SQL server in structured query language. Like we have done the several commands like delete, drop, create, and all. So here, when we just click onto it and go, a temporary environment where we can run our SQL queries will be opened, so that you can type in your like queries, and you can like just manipulate the data sets you want in a tabular manner. Then comes the multiple VPC networks. So as I gave the answer for what is cloud in short, basically what we are going to do is we are going to create virtual machines. So for a project, if you need like 100 computers, you can't like you don't need to do 100 computers. Just have one computer and make multiple instances of it. That's what virtual machine instances are. And now again, after creating a virtual machine, you need to connect all these computers. We all in our home, we just connect all our laptops to our our what to say, Wi-Fi. Like how the connections works within this VM is what covered in this multiple VPC networks. So basically, remember, this VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. It's like a virtual version of your physical network. So that's what you're going to do in this lab. And then comes the cloud monitoring. So once you have set up all your like virtual machines and networks, you need to monitor whether the purpose is served or not. Okay, so you're going to take up all those monitoring and security jobs in cloud monitoring, and managing deployments in Kubernetes engines. So before knowing about Kubernetes, you need to know about containers. So containers are packages of software which are required to run an environment. So we have all used Python IDEs, right? So in order to run that environment, we need some softwares. Okay, so those softwares are put in like containers, called containers in cloud, in Google Clouds. So what we are just going to do is while running all these multiple containers, it's called this Kubernetes engine. So you're going to just know about these containers and how to deploy this using Kubernetes engine. That's what is covered in this cloud engineering tracks. And then comes to this data science on cloud. Google Cloud. Okay. Okay. So here you go. So it's like the most on-demand technology is machine learning nowadays. So how we are going to do that in cloud? Okay. So this machine learning with Spark on Google Cloud Data Pro, it's it contains like machine learning libraries implementing logistic regression and other ML models so that you use it and easily you can predict the accuracy and all those things. And then comes Apache Beam and Cloud Data Flow. To be more honest, I don't have any hands-on practice on this area. I'm glad to learn all these things with you, but it's like the whole program is structured things will be very clearly described to you. You just need to follow the steps to complete the cloud. So once you do 2 to 3 lab exercises, you come to know how to follow the instructions and to do things in the cloud. Okay, so no need to fear for that. Just you need to do more labs. Okay. And we all know about TensorFlow, like the neural networks models are constructed with this. So again, it's from machine learning one step ahead. Deep learning concepts, how to operate it. These are all practical applications of machine learning and deep learning, and how we are going to deploy it in cloud. And finally, you are going to just do a real-time machine learning with Google Cloud ML. Okay. So this is what you are going to cover in this 30 days. So you need to spend time, you need to follow the instructions what they have given. So after doing 2 to 3 labs, you will get a good hands over it. So that's all for now. uh, okay. Okay, next who's going to do?
Aishwarya, you stop presenting the screen. I'll go on.
Okay.
Um, okay. So Aishwarya, she has right now explained what all the labs are about. Each and every lab, what you're going to do. She explained in detail, I guess. So I'll just tell you what. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Aishwarya, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I could see yours.
Okay, so she explained about what each and every lab you're gonna do, how you're gonna deal with everything there. So in track one, so I'll first tell you when you'll get goodies. So you have two options: either you do track one or track two, or you can do both of them. If you want more goodies, you can do both of them. You'll get T-shirts, stickers, and a bottle, I guess, if you do both of them. And if you do either one of the track, you'll get only T-shirt and a stickers, I guess. So if you want to complete track one, you have to complete all the 6 skill badges. So before that, I'll tell you what quests are and what skill badges are. So wait a second. So quest, as you can see, wait, before that, I'll just give an example. When you click inside a lab, that is when you go to the link and you click inside a lab, you'll see a couple of labs here. So when is one quest completed? When you go on, do all the quests here, all the particular labs here, then it is considered that you have completed one quest. But what is a skill badge? In skill badge, as you can see, there is a challenge lab over here. So in each and every lab, it's like manually you'll see instructions, you'll learn from them and you'll practice it. But in challenge labs, you don't really have any instructions. You just have to it's like a test on based on all the previous labs you have learned. You'll have a quick test on what you have learned, and then you'll get a skill badge. So what is a quest? All the couple of labs that are in here, after you complete it, that means a quest is completed. But the same amount of labs along with the challenge labs a skill badge. So if you complete all the links in the track one, that means you, oh sorry, I guess something's wrong. Okay, I think that's it's just a quick introduction. One second, I'll stop sharing the screen. So it's like after you've completed all the labs in that particular track one link, you're considered like you've completed track one and you'll get your goodies for that track one. And in track two, if you've completed all the labs there, you'll get your goodies for track two. That's all. Sirisha, go on and explain like quick labs working. You there, Sirisha?
Sirisha, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so Lohita has stopped her presentation. She is done with her content. You can carry on.
Okay, let me share my screen. Aishwarya, is my screen visible?
It's visible.
Okay. Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well. In past few days, you are busy with doing registrations. I hope many are facing many issues. I think all of you got your mails. If you are not got your mail, please wait. You will get by tomorrow. Uh, okay. I'm going to share a demo on how to do labs. Guys, please use your unique code. One
The
minute.
screen is not visible, Sirisha.
1 minute. 1 minute. Wait, visible.
Ram is asked, do we get certificates on completing each tracks? It's not like kind of a certificate. For a quest, you'll get a skill badge. Okay. Um, Sirisha, do you have the old account?
Yeah.
Do you have your old account? Last time we did it, right?
Yeah. I have
Go
my
to
own.
your profile and show, like, just present your screen or like how you'll get your skill badge
Okay.
certificate like that. This is not a kind of a certificate. So if you complete one quest, like for example, Sirisha, if you can see on the screen, networking in Google, when you complete one quest, you'll get something like a kind of a badge like that. And if you complete one skill badge, you'll get a kind of a certificate like this on the left. Create and manage cloud resources. Did you get it, Gopalam?
Okay.
And Sirisha, once again,
Okay.
Gopal Ram, you can use this badge in your resumes and in LinkedIn. Okay, so you can just add these links in your LinkedIn. It has got some great values once you take up cloud as your career. Okay, so like don't consider certificates or badges. Just understand the labs and go work on it. You will surely get it.
Are you done? Okay. Guys, now I'm going to show a demo on how to do a lab and complete it successfully. You will see a green button. Use subscription. And you will receive your credentials like this. This is the unique credentials for every lab. Open Google Cloud Console. Use this username and password for sign in. You will see your track progress here. After completing every task, please click check progress. You will receive your progress points. Let's go for task 1. You will see a step-by-step procedure here, how to complete the lab. The navigation menu. You will see a navigation menu here in the compute engine. Here you will see a step-by-step procedure on how to create a instance and do it as like in the lab and complete it. At the end of the tag, you will receive this check my progress. If we click this, it will show a tick mark so that you successfully completed your task. After completing your lab successfully, please end the lab. In your profile, if you completed the task, you will receive a badge of it. Okay, I'm done with the demo. If you have any queries, please post in the chat.
Presenting your screen, or is it over?
No. I'm completed my presentation.
Oh,
Oh, I said it's Q&A time.
okay. Guys, do you have any doubts? You can go on and ask in the chat. Shall we start by today? Yeah, it's your wish. You can start by today.
Um, if you don't see your progress, you done something wrong in between. So start from the top. Start from
Not use like stipulated time in your lab. You're not spent time in your lab. You've like ended the lab quickly, or you might not have got that 100 points over the top.
no, there is no restrictions. You can do in any day, but you have to complete it by 27th October.
It's always. I personally did this in 2 days. It was a huge headache for me. Like in 2 days, or like I have to complete 8 quests and 4 skill badges. I wasn't able to manage. I didn't even get a T-shirt also. Like அதான் இருந்துச்சு எனக்கு T-shirt கூட கிடைக்கல. So I'll suggest you to do start from today. Do like maybe half an hour a day, something like that.
Here, Reshma, it's not like it doesn't consist of only quizzes like that. It like you're going to practically do things in Google Cloud. Okay, so it's not like a 5 to 10 minute lab, 10 minutes lab. Like for 45 minutes or half an hour, you're going to follow the steps they have mentioned in those labs, and you're going to complete it. Like Satyarishma, you're talking about the very first task we gave you, like completing the how to do things in Google Cloud, like what does that navigation bar. You didn't complete that yet. Okay, you completed that. So the upcoming labs are not going to be like that. You need to work on that on those labs and make it as 100%.
ஸ்ரீநிதி தமிழ்லயே சொல்கிறேன். நீ அந்த ஒரு ட்ராக் ஒன் லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணியிருப்பல்ல, அதில் வந்து கிளிக் பண்ணியிருந்தா 6 ஸ்கில் பேட்சஸ் மாதிரி வந்திருக்கும். ஒரு ஸ்கில் பேட்ச்லேயும் ஒரு சர்டன் லேப்ஸ் இருக்கும், நிறைய லேப்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸ்கில் பேட்சஸ் இப்போத்துக்கு உனக்கு quest பற்றி கவலைப்படாத. அந்த ஒரு ட்ராக் ஒன் லிங்க்ல ஒரு பல லேப் இருந்துச்சுல்ல, ஸோ இஃப் யூ கிளிக் தட் ஒன் லிங்க், அதில் இன்னும் செட் ஆஃப் லேப்ஸ் இருக்கும். நீ ஒரு லேபும் முடிச்சாதான் அந்த ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் quest முடிஞ்ச மாதிரி. ஆனா ஸ்கில் பேட்ச்னா என்னன்னா அதே லேப்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, நீ பண்ற லேப்ஸ் அதே இருக்கும். ஆனா எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா கூட ஒரு சேலஞ்ச் லேப்னு இருக்கும். அந்த சேலஞ்ச் லேப் வந்து நீ கத்துக்கின ஆல்ரெடி இந்த லேப்ஸ்ல தான் கத்துக்கினது பத்தி இருக்கும். நீ ஒரு டெஸ்ட் மாதிரி அது சேலஞ்ச் லேப், அது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டா ஒரு ஸ்கில் பேட்ச் மாதிரி. காட் இட் ஸ்ரீநிதி?
And access your quiz and lab from the official website. Please go with a sequence. Don't jumble the skill badges. Do in a sequence. Don't confuse.
திங் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் முடிச்சக்கு அப்புறமா தான் யூ கேன் கோ டு ஸ்கில் பேட்ச். பிகாஸ் ஸ்கில் பேட்ச் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு சேலஞ்ச் இட்ஸ் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் வாட் யூ லேர்ன்ட் இன் த ப்ரீவியஸ் லேப்ஸ். ஸோ நீ டைரெக்டாக ஸ்கில் பேட்ச் போயிட்டேன்னா லைக் யூல் பி பசில். சேலஞ்ச் லேப்க்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு உனக்கு தெரியாது.
Okay, many people have doubt in how to enroll to those two tracks. Okay, so just go to home in that quick labs. You will find multiple tracks like migrate MySQL data, troubleshooting networks. Like there will be many things in that. Just select two tracks and enroll for now. I'll just put those two name of those two tracks in the chat. Okay, just to follow it. So one thing is cloud engineering, and another one is data science on Google Cloud, machine learning. Just remember these two, or just copy paste and have this somewhere. These two tracks are to be completed by you guys.
I guess everything is clear. Like இந்த டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இப்போ வரும். நீங்க ஒன்று பண்ணி ஆரம்பிச்சக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கே எல்லாமே புரிஞ்சிடும். பர்சனலி எங்களுக்கும் டவுட்ஸ் கிளியர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அப்போ எனக்கு யாருமே இல்லை. ஸ்டார்டட் டூயிங் அப்போவே எனக்கு புரிஞ்சிச்சு. And moreover, Aishwarya and Sirish, I think both of you are doing this program right now. ரெண்டு பேரும் பண்றீங்கல்ல? Sirisha. So I'm not the one who's doing. நான் இந்த வாட்டி பண்ணல because last time I did it. I got kind of disturbed. இந்த வாட்டி அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும். Maybe you can ask more doubts for them.
Like I don't have an account for this time. It's not like previous time I did. I'm not interested to do that now. I had some issues in registration, so I couldn't have. But if you have some doubts, just ping me out. I will do my best to clear it out. Okay. Thing is like try to go on the flow. Okay, just go get into the tracks and just start solving. Okay, you will know the tricks and tacks, how to complete a lab, what to do. You will get to know all those things. And you can anyway you can refer Google and YouTube. Like all these labs are like very common over there in the net. Many people have solved it. If you have any doubt in these steps, you can just go there and see it. So that's not going to be any problem there.
Any doubts? You can go ahead and ask in the chat.
We have some more time, like try to ask more questions. Okay, so that we by interacting more you can get something, right?
அவங்க ஏதோ டவுட் கேட்டிருக்காங்க.
I have already mentioned, just go to the your Quick Labs account. They click the home. You can find multiple tracks in that. I have like given 2 topics. Okay, just copy paste somewhere, and you need to complete those 2 tracks: cloud engineering, data science on Google Cloud. Okay, you just need to give enroll for this program. Like a green button will be there. You just need to click it. That's it.
There is no further process of completing these 2 labs.
You can complete either one of the tracks or both of the tracks. It's not like not mandatory you have to complete both the tracks.
Guys, over. எல்லாமே கவர் பண்ணியாச்சு. அந்த டவுட்ஸ் வேற ஏதாச்சும் இருந்தா கேளுங்க.
அவங்க கேட்கணும்.
They are asking doubts.
ஸ்வாக்ஸ் பத்தி சீரியஸாக தான் தெரியும். யார் ஸ்வாக்ஸ் கிடைச்சது?
I think all of you given your addresses in the registration form. You will get your swags to your home, your address.
No, actually, Sirisha, they have to complete the tracks, no? Then only they
Yes.
will be getting
After
swag.
completing the tracks.
பண்ண எல்லாருமே முடிப்பீங்கன்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்? ஸோ வந்து ஃபினிஷ் பண்ண அப்புறமா தான் யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் ஆல் த ஃபார்ம்ஸ் தட் ஆஸ்க் யூ அட்ரஸ். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃபினிஷ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Selected, there'll be a link right there. You'll be selected and then you'll give your address.
Your progress
I just have I just have a doubt, Swatika. Like they are getting a 30 days free subscription, right?
Yeah.
Like they will be able to register for those 2 tracks, or they can register like whatever tracks they want to complete.
Monthly subscription is unlimited. You can enroll for anything, but it
Yeah.
up to 27th October.
Okay, so guys, it's like your wish, but these two tracks you can complete, and other than that there are like many like domain oriented tracks you can complete, like people who are more yeah, like what to say, more interested in app development, they can take Flutter development, and like there are many quests like which you can explore more than these two tracks. So just try to complete these two tracks, okay? These are the primary objective, and then try to explore much more topics also, but they just stick on to the time, okay? Don't keep it at last time, because when we did previously we had some internal issues with the lab, like we completed nearly all the 8 quests, but one of the quests like had some internal issues. We selected that particular lab and we didn't get our goodies, okay?
Yeah, what
So
happened was last time our lab itself was under maintenance. In the lab, a DevOps lab, நினைக்கிறேன். So we had to complete 8 quests and 4 skill badges. That was our only quest we were like dependent on. And the lab வந்து maintenance வந்துருச்சு. We didn't get our swags also. So பார்த்து பண்ணுங்க.
don't drag it. I think these two labs won't have those issues, because these like within 1 month it's a very short thing you need to do. So you can complete it with some regular effort, okay? So don't keep it on the 27th day, okay? At least some 3 to 4 days, so in case if these tracks have some problems, you can go ahead with some other lab, okay? So keep that in mind, those who are like sincerely aiming for to complete this program successfully. Our tips.
இஷ்யூ பிகாஸ் இந்த வாட்டி பண்ணப்போ 50Kன்னு சொல்றப்ப எல்லாரும் வந்து பண்ணாங்க அந்த ஃபார்ம். இந்த வாட்டி லைக் அந்த பர்டிகுலர் 50K தானே அட்ரஸ் செலக்ட் ஆனவங்க தானே வரும். ஐ கெஸ் தேர் won't be an issue in the forms.
First of all, focus on one track, complete it fully, and go for another.
Quest இல்ல, both the tracks. You have to enroll in both the tracks or any one of the track. Tracks குள்ள நிறைய quest இருக்கும். You can enroll in any one of the track 1 or track 2, and inside the tracks you'll have a particular like a couple set of quests there. அந்த quest நீ பண்ணனா like it's like considered one track is completed.
So guys, is there any other doubt?
Guys, if there any doubt, please clear it.
Okay, I think that's it. Like, okay, so that's it, I guess. Thank you, facilitators and mentors. I think you cleared all their doubts. So yeah, if you have any more, please ask them immediately now. Please don't spam in the groups. Yeah. If you don't have any more, we'll end.
Guys, try to use group for any queries.
Yeah, if you have any doubts, just put it in the group instead of messaging in personal chats, because it will help others to even clear their doubts, right? So
Follow the chats regularly, because if there is some issues, it will be posted on the group. If you miss out, like there will be some lag. For example, what I said, like if some lab is under maintenance or something, those official informations will be put there. So you just need to follow the WhatsApp group regularly. All the things will be there.
Kirtik, I guess you have already created a Quick Labs account, right? So track 1 link press பண்ணப்போ அதுவே automatically you'll be logged on to your Quick Labs account and you'll do from there. மேபி ஸ்டே இன் ஒன் குரூப் கார்த்திக் பி ஏதாவது ஜிடிஎஸ்சி 1 ஆர் ஜிடிஎஸ்சி 2 ரெண்டு குரூப் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மேபி யூ கேன் ஸ்டே இன் ஒன் குரூப் அண்ட் லீவ் த அதர் இஃப் யூ கெட்டிங் கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட்.
Swatika, shall we wind up?
Yeah. Harani, I don't think people will still get their enrollment mails. I'm not sure. Sirisha, do you know anything about it?
I think enrollment mails is whatever else.
It's over?
Registration form or mails. Swatika?
She's talking about the mail, Sirisha.
Okay. Mail will be received tomorrow. By tomorrow. Please
Oh,
check
so-
the spam mails.
Okay. So I think tomorrow's the last day, guys. So
Yeah,
please keep
yes,
checking
yes.
your mails, okay?
Tomorrow is the last day.
Okay. So yeah, if we don't have any other doubts, we can close it. Okay, Okay, so Dwarak, he got it in
Some of the mails are in promotion, guys. Please do check it.
Okay, I'll end the meet.
Yes, thank you all.
Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, facilitator and the mentors. I'll end the meet.